Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and this I'm recording on right now is my DJI Osmo Pocket, the original Pocket from 2018. I bought this camera in February of 2019, and I want to show you guys that here in 2022, it is still a great camera. Let's get this video started. Alright guys, so this is my original DJI Osmo Pocket. As I said earlier, it came out in November of 2018. I bought it in February of 2019. I want to share some clips and some photos with you guys of how well this camera performs, because I think a lot of times because something is older, we sometimes think that it won't work or look as great in 2022. But you couldn't be more wrong about this camera. And I have a lot of accessories on mine just to beef it up, to make it simpler to download stuff, like with this Bluetooth connector here at the bottom, the stroll wheel to control the camera. But I want you guys to pay attention to the video quality, because I think the video quality is still good for 2022. So the colors to me directly out of this camera still looks good. And as you can see, if you wanted to slow it down, because I usually film at 4K 50 frames per second, and I'll slow it down in post if I want to slow it down. So to give you guys an idea of that, I'll slow it down here going into this tunnel, and it's not all choppy, doesn't look all crazy. And this was shot on this little camera using the wide angle lens from Ulanzi. And again, if you do get this camera, do not expect to get it unless you're buying it used with all these accessories on it, because this is not the way it's going to come. With that being said, guys, enjoy the rest of this video. I still think this is a great camera in 2022, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.